Right, good. So this is the platform, right? This one here. So we can just go to the Stingray. And this is on, again, your service with the RE2D. And then we basically have the complete assembly of 21 parts. Some of the smaller ones didn't add, but
also our dashboard here, so we can see it start sprinting.
All right,
okay,
perfect.
So I'll just click on send to machine. That's the list of the G codes that you send us. I'll just pick the first one, and we have the connection with the Gigabot 4. It's currently on idle. It's going to be 21 megabytes, so it might take a few seconds to get there, or maybe a minute or so. Yeah. So kindly ask for any patience.
But it doesn't take long, right?
No, yeah, it all depends on internet, right? It's
quite
at
fast.
some point.
Oh.
Well, there you go. It's already going, I think. Because the printer there is the Gigabot, right? The 4.
Okay.
Right? Job done. Simple but effective.